में हमेशा बोला गया है कि आपके आसपास भूत प्रेत कभी भी नहीं भटकेंगे क्योंकि आपकी राशि बहुत स्ट्रांग है और वो उन पे हावी पड़ेगी। सबसे पहले मुझे बताओ, ये जो राशि का खेल है क्या ये सच में होता है या इट्स मोर प्लेसिबो और साइकोलॉजिकल?
See how it works is when people say कि zodiac sign matter करता है, what they say is कि let's say for example Leo, so by default आपके अंदर कुछ है जो कि repel करेगा या फिर एक shield बना के रखेगा for you to stay away or for them to stay away from you. But if you are intentionally getting into that zone, you want to see them. No one can stop you then. For example, my partner Pooja, she is a psychic. She worked on a psychic ability, even though she is a born psychic, but she developed it more. So she was like, you know what? Remove this wall. I want to see. I want to experience. I want to feel. The same way for any other zodiac sign. You may be born with that. कि ठीक है, मैं, for example, I'm Sagittarius, for example. If I'm born with this innate quality कि मैं repel करता हूँ या फिर मैं experience नहीं करता हूँ, that will be there till I don't acknowledge the spirit world. But by the time you acknowledge कि हाँ ये ना ऐसे होता है, the spirit world would be like, you know what, उसने wall निकाल दिया, so now we can interact. So now that you have mentioned, you might experience. So that's how it happens.
मुझे वैसे भी बहुत डर लगता है इस सबसे, तो हमेशा मैं अपने आप को ही बताते रहता था कि हाँ ठीक है मेरी राशि स्ट्रांग है तो शायद मैं
But sometimes it's okay, you know, sometimes it's okay not to acknowledge. I come from Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and my father is into PSU, public sector unit job, and every 4-5 years we used to shift different cities. Now every city we went to, every house was kind of haunted. How I knew that they are haunted क्योंकि क्या होता था कि मैं बचपन से, मुझे अंधेरे से बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता था. हमारे यहाँ पे स्पेशली इन ओडिशा देयर इज दिस थिंग कि घर को कभी पूरा अंधेरा करके नहीं सोया जाता है. एटलीस्ट एक रूम का लाइट जलते रहना चाहिए. सो इन आवर होम इट वाज द लिविंग रूम, एक लाइट, एक ट्यूबलाइट जलता था वहाँ पे. एंड द हाउस वाज़न्ट बिग, सो इट्स लाइक लिविंग रूम है एंड फिर बेडरूम है. नाउ व्हाटएवर इज हैपनिंग इन द लिविंग रूम यू कैन लिसन because you are in the bedroom even though the door is locked. Sometimes suppose रात के 2 बजे मैं सोया हूँ and मेरे को आवाज़ आई कि कुछ तो गिरा किचन में. I can't say anyone, but then सुबह उठ के तो फिर मैं खुद को ये बताता था कि हाँ यार शायद मेरा मन है, मैं ज़्यादा ही डर रहा हूँ. लेकिन सुबह उठ के we all would see कई utensils नीचे गिरे हुए हैं. So वो कैसे हुआ अगर मेरा मन का वहम था तो. And in 2013 we shifted back again to another like our own home in Bhubaneswar. And I was bracing कि यार यहाँ पे भी कुछ ना कुछ होगा because हर घर में होता ही है. And that is when during this year 2013, early 2013, when I started having this thoughts suddenly while I was preparing myself for that night कि क्या होने वाला है उस रात को, कि what are these things you are fearing. क्या डर रहा है यार, मतलब you can call it like my inner voice or like the divine speaking, whatever you want to name it. But it was like it started asking me all these questions जिसका मेरे पास कोई भी आंसर नहीं था कि किस चीज़ से तू डर रहा है. Is it something that you have seen in a hut? Is it something that I have heard in the stories के लंबे बाल हैं, सफ़ेद कलर की साड़ी है, लंबे नाखून है, तेरे को मार डालेगी. But then all these experience, all these thoughts and everything and all these questions, I'm like यार मेरे पास कोई आंसर नहीं है. I'm fearing the stories, elements of the stories, but have I seen them? मैं अंधेरे से डर तो रहा हूँ लेकिन अंधेरे के अंदर क्या है मुझे नहीं पता है. मैं बस अंधेरे से डर रहा हूँ. जब मेरे को शैडो दिख रहा है लेकिन शैडो तो इंसानों का भी होता है. फिर शैडो देख के मैं कैसे डर रहा हूँ. So all these questions are unanswered, and then I was like, अच्छा shit. So I'm just basically fearing the unknown, something that I don't know. Maybe I should know. That's my only, last straw to get out of that fear, because by now, after living with fear for so many years, 14-15 years of fear, and you get traumatized. It started affecting me. It affects you mentally as well, because it's like all your friends are all cool and chill, but you are like, you know what, I can't go there because room andhera hai. So I was like, you know what, I will know what I don't know. And I started researching, started talking to people and all those things. And karte, I was like, acha, aisa hota hai, waisa hota hai. So the first question I Googled was, can spirits kill human beings? What's the worst that can happen to a human being than dying? अगर मैं मरूंगा नहीं, बाकी संभाल लूंगा. मतलब अगर ऐसा स्क्रैच मार दे, कुछ कर दे, ठीक है, वो बच जाऊंगा मैं. और मरना नहीं चाहिए यार, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो उसका आंसर मुझे मिला नहीं व्हेन आई गूगल बैक देन. बट मुझे बाकी आर्टिकल्स दिखने लग गए, बाकी बुक्स वगैरह दिखने लग गए. आई स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग टू माय पेरेंट्स. एंड जब भी अगर, सो माय नेटिव इज इन अ वेरी रिमोट एरिया ऑफ ओडिशा. forest and everything. Lot of stories, urban legends, folklores, from giants to monsters to all animals, beasts. And I asked my uncle, my grandfather, my nana, everyone, not my grandfather, sorry, my nana, nani, कि क्या होता है ये सब, and they had no answer. Like there was a time when I was doing something and everyone came running, कि नहीं ये मत कर. I think I had a stick and I was hitting the stick on the floor. And they were like, नहीं शाम हो गई, don't hit. I'm like, why? So this was mommy telling me. She was like, I don't know, मुझे मामा ने बोला था. I called mama, I'm hitting. He's like, no, don't do it. I'm like, why? Because मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे पापा ने बोला था, basically नाना ने. I went to Nana, why can't we do this? No, don't do this. I go, but why? Well, I don't know, someone told me. So that's how superstition and fear is passed on to generation to generation to generation. My Nana, who is 98 right now, had no idea why paranormal or why that is to be avoided. But when you grow up and you start researching, you realize the reason you don't do that is because पहले के ज़माने में मिट्टी के घर होते थे. जब शाम हो जाती थी तब सारे चूहे, मकोड़े, सांप वाप, मिट्टी का होल करके घुस जाते थे अंदर. So start hitting them, they will come out. And क्योंकि तब lights नहीं होते थे, you would feel to recognize that there is a snake out there. So it will bite, it will harm you. That's why you're not supposed to hit it on the floor. But because no one ever knew the reason, they thought, भूत आ जाएगा, कुछ आ जाएगा, so मत ठोको उसको. So my research started from talking to people and reading more about it, reading about experiences. And I realized that a lot of people are scared of the paranormal and the unknown particularly. It may not be paranormal, but अंधेरा है तो हमारी फट रही है. हमको नहीं पता अंधेरे में क्या है. It could be a human being, a demon or an angel for that matter. Who knows? But we just fear the darkness. And that's when I was like, you know what, I should do something to help out these people because मुझे पता है the trauma I went through, मुझे पता है the डर I went through. I'm not going to let everyone else go through. I'll try my best. So that's when I started researching. And meanwhile, Pooja on the other side in Bombay, she was having her own experiences. She's a born psychic, like I said, but she had no idea that she's a psychic.
Okay.
So she grew up with having her past life memories. She remembered those memories. So she had already freaked out her parents a lot. Then she studied about being a psychic abilities, and that's how she developed it. So it was in 2014 we met through a common WhatsApp group of paranormal enthusiasts. It was a faceless, useless group, but thankfully, destiny aap bata do, kuch bhi bata do, but Pooja and I connected quickly because I was trying to help the humans, she was trying to help the spirits. And we are like, you know what? It can be a great combo if we can, both of us can merge these abilities that we have and create something professionally, plus help out the souls of both the world, living and the dead.